Ladies and gentlemen, from the team that brought you burrowed banelings, comes the first ever episode of Gamer Meal Prep. You might be saying to yourself, wait, what? I thought Neuro makes StarCraft content and WoW content with Brunt. What is he doing in the kitchen? I will show you the ways. This is an example of how breakfast can be made mightily and easily, and I will take you through step by step. You need one of these. I recommend oats. This. Do you need to get Quaker oats or steel cut oats? Who cares? This isn't some gourmet Gordon Ramsay 5-star shit. This is for noobs. Just get whatever oats. Make sure they're not the instant oats. They should be whole oats. You look in this. It's oats. This is honey to add a little sweetener that's not sugar. Granulated sugar. Where does that go? Do you put the granulated sugar? It goes in this. So, honey, better than sugar, thanks bees. And then these are dried berries. Haven't gotten groceries in a bit, so the fresh stuff is all out. I'll show you this real quick. Can you open the packet? See this? That's legit. Okay. So we're gonna make this. This is a real deal. So the first thing we gotta do is to get some water in this bad boy. Okay. Get it in the sink, put some water. Okay, it's fine. You don't need a ton. Stovetop, go. Put it on high. We go fast. We got video games to play. I can't be making some 10-course meal for breakfast. All right, now what do we do? Shit, let's get a bowl. We ran the dishes last night in preparation for this key moment. All right, we got a bowl. Let's get these oats. Okay, fantastic. Let's get this. Let's do a little bit of this. Hell yeah. Party on. How do you stay so fit? I just swapped the sugar with honey. My body can't tell the difference. Or my mouth can, but my digestive system knows that honey is better. Look at Neuro, he's just a shill for big honey. That's right. Sponsored by bees. Okay. So this is going, and this is done. That's it. We're just gonna put the hot water on top of that later, so we can put away our other stuff. That's all it's the name of one of my StarCraft accounts. Put away this, and you can do cleanup and stuff during this time. What I like to do is make some heckin' coffee with this. This is an Italian press. Wow. It's a way to make coffee. For this one, you put water in this thing here. Set that aside, good job. And then we got the coffee grounds here. And then this is the top part with the guy who's holding his finger up saying, give me some coffee, motherfuckers. Okay, we'll just let this, you can watch this. I'm gonna throw away the coffee grounds in the garbage. Let me rinse this out. Hope you enjoy the documentary guerrilla style filming here. This is in my kitchen, which is not where the streaming studio is, and I'm just using my phone on a phone stand. So this is clean. Good job. You have to officially do it like this. That helps. Okay.
So now that we have this part all clean and good, this part goes in here.
Ta-da!
And then we should wash the other part too. You don't want to be eating with gross used stuff. Just rinse it out, doesn't take that long. Every once in a while you want to clean the inside of it too. Good job. Okay, then we put the coffee in. Look at this working away. It does a little snappy crackly thing a little bit because I spilled water on the side of this thing. And that's the sound of the water being like, hey, I'm underneath this thing, but it's very hot and I need to evaporate. Well, too bad. Okay. I just reused this container. This isn't actually the kind of coffee that's in here. I got some of the little like bricks of coffee. Let me see if I can show you one. I have a brick of coffee.
Where is it?
I'm out of bricks of coffee, but as an example, you could just take a bag of coffee and then you put that in there if you wanted to. Anyways, I'm not sponsored by this, but I have this. I actually purchased this. That's a fun thing about being a streamer and YouTube content creator is sometimes you just heckin' buy it at the store. Like a normal person. Did you know that a streamer is normal for about, I don't know, 16 hours of the day? And then they're live making videos and they're very weird. Okay, so put this and this. Oh, this is getting crazy. Should we do 3 scoops? We're gonna be wild today. Okay, we'll call that good. We don't want to overfill this. Basically, the way that this works is there's water in the bottom, and you put it on the stovetop, and it heats it up. I have coffee on my finger. And then the water absorbs the essence of the coffee as it rises up through this coffee chamber. And then in the top, what you get is the finished product of coffee. Put this on. For the Bialetti, usually you don't want to go max heat, but you can go pretty close to that. Oh, it's almost ready! Are you ready for this amazing vocal performance of the tea kettle? Whatever it's called. If it wasn't clear already, I'm not a gourmet chef or anything, so if you notice anything about my build that sucks, feel free to correct or give your suggestions. One thing that I like to alternate in here is instead of these dried berries, you can have fresh blueberries. You could slice up an apple. Usually like half an apple sliced up is good in here. Or you could do GURPS, or you could do a Blanaba sliced up, or blackberries, or you could do raspberries, or you could do, you know, whatever fruits you wanted. It's almost ready. As a fun tip, I did a podcast episode with Artosis and we talked about mindset and stuff. And I told him that this is how I made oatmeal in the morning for breakfast. And he started doing this ever since. So this is actually an Artosis certified, verified breakfast. Ah! Listen. Ah! Okay, that's enough of that. And you just take this, put this on here. Spread all around until you can see the water, and then you just let it. That's enough. That's enough. Look at that steam coming off there. That's the breakfast waiting to happen. I'm just gonna let that be for a bit because the oats need to absorb the water, and that takes a little bit of time. So you don't want to eat this right away. if you did eat this right away, you'd probably burn your face off anyway. So stay back, don't touch it. Just wait until it cools off some. If you use frozen berries, you put the water in first, and then you can put the frozen berries on top and then stir them in. And those kind of cool it down. So frozen blueberries, really good option for that one. And then this coffee is working away. But yeah, this is a very simple gamer meal prep breakfast. I do this pretty much every morning. I just vary up whatever the fruit is in it. Maybe you found this useful. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you found this weird. I can't believe the streamer eats his breakfast like this. What a crazy person. But now you know more about me. And you know a breakfast that honestly doesn't have that much bad stuff in it, and it's got plenty of vitamins and nutrients. I'm not a nutritionist, but you've got the carbs that you need to get your day going. You've got some sweetness with the honey and the berries and stuff, and the berries have got like shitloads of vitamins, I'm sure. Yeah, and this will allow you to kick ass and hopefully do better in your ladder games or your WoW raids or whatever, or your workouts. This is going to take some time.